Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Rizki Fauzi. My ID number is 2007054141. This video I will explain to you introducing about syntax. Syntax is level of linguistic organization that mediation between sounds and meaning, where words organized into phrases and sentence. And syntax involves the two related types of the first is breaking down the sentence into the constants and assigning some grammatical labels to each consonants that stating what type of contents of grammatical category it is and what grammatical function it has. The concept of structure is fundamental to study of the syntax. And this video I will explain syntax about syntactic analysis. Might be defined as determining the relevant component parts of the sentence and describing this part of grammatically. Syntax structures involve analyzing linguistic expression into their constituents and identify the category of those constituents and determining their function. And syntax and syntactic structure study words, their grammatical categories and function by analyzing sentence structures into constants, phrases, and clauses. Constants is a group of words that function together as a unit, and the component part of the sentence are called the constants. And the contents is connected together to make a complete sentence. And the student, for example, the student loves his phonology readings. The student is conscious which can be shown through tree diagram or putting square bracket around the unit. And phrases, sequence of words that can function as constants is the structure of sentence are called phrases. For example, old man soon bathed beside a stream. Tree diagram respects structure by marking with squares of words in sentence are considered phrases, and syntactic tree diagram are most specifically called phrases markers. And group of two or more words usually related in meaning but with no subject or verb combination. And group of two and it cannot turn into sentence because of lacking subject and verb. For example, leaving behind the door, and then before the first test, and then between endurance and intelligence. And then clauses, group of words having subject and verb. The first is because he smiled at him, and then second, we went to the movie last night. His smile is clauses and we went his clauses. Verb mind independent, and relative is object, and subordinate is dependent. The fourth is noun. And the last is phrases and clauses. This is compare about phrases and clauses words. The first, phrases do not have to subject and verb, and clauses subject and verbs. And phrases cannot stand alone as complete, and clauses stand alone as complete sentence. And phrases does not give complete meaning, and clauses give complete meaning. And phrases complain of the overall structure of a sentence, and for clauses is complete sentence. And this for me. If I doing the mistake, I'm so sorry. And Rizki Fauzi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.